Perhaps the most controversial feature of Anthem 1 is the very thing that it lacks, and that's a yoke. We did not come upon that decision lightly. In fact, we spent the better part of 6 months debating whether or not we should include a yoke with the system. In the end, what we decided is that we needed to design a system for the future and not the past. Anthem 1 is 6 pounds, 12 ounces. It's compact, it's a cube. Its center of gravity is extremely low in the system. And in terms of size and form factor, it has more in common with camera systems than it does with old-fashioned, large, bulky lighting systems. And so for that reason, we felt that a yoke which only works in the X and Y axis was simply just too limiting when it came to mounting Anthem 1 in a variety of different ways. But don't take our word for it. How about we show you? And so as you can see, that's the reason why Anthem 1 doesn't need a yoke.
Anthem 1. We didn't invent the light. We perfected it.